Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We are going to be making a tall, elegant crystal vase. And so what you're going to need some of this floral diamond wrap. And this is from EFavormart. You're also going to need some of this clear diamond chain from EFavormart. EFavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have EFavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 of these tall glass hurricanes. You're going to need 1 of these glass candle holder plates. You are going to need some of this foam board. And possibly, you may need some of these peel and stick gemstones. These are from Walmart. Now I'm going to be using some hot glue on my project for the purposes of the video, but if you'll be using this project for an extended period of time, or if you'd like for the project to become a permanent piece, you want to use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, now didn't this elegant glam crystal vase turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.